Hey guys, Lucy here from Hunting for George. Today I have some penthouse luxury for you. Caden have invited me to check out their newest Sky Homes, which is part of the Rise building in their Mason Square precinct. Let's go check it out. The Sky Homes. You can see why it gets its name. Those views are sensational. So our living and our dining all centralized around this kitchen. A very good looking kitchen as well. Integrated fridge and freezer. I love this island and I really like this open shelving as well, which houses, this is smart, houses the range hood above the induction cooktop. I like the feeling of the joinery. Oof, I do love a soft closed drawer. Come and join me in my piano room for a cheeky soiree. You're welcome. Okay, let's continue with the rest of the tour. Through here we have the master bedroom. Epic floor to ceiling views, and I also love the mirrored cabinetry. We've got this walk-in robe leading through to your own ensuite. I love the natural tone of that white porcelain tile, and I have got to get into this bathtub because this guy looks huge. So I've got to test, you know, just for you guys and all. Oh my word. This is like a bathtub for a family of 4. These interiors are just drenched with light. Like, it has a wonderful feeling. Before I take you through to the other side, I do want to show you through here. So running off that front entrance, we've got a powder room through here, as well as a very smart and very practical storeroom. Literally, cupboards give me all the feels. So I love the fact that there's heaps of storage in this space. So this is very fun. Why go out when you've got your very own bar with city views? You've got space for your bar fridge, you can mix your cocktails and look out over Melbourne. Not a bad place to end your day. Have some champers and watch the sun go down. So we've got more bedrooms through here. We've also got laundry and bathroom, but I'll take you through there later. First, we've got more of this mirrored cabinetry. So much storage in here. That is a very enviable robe. So that white porcelain tile that we saw before is consistent in our laundry as well as in the main bathroom. And another very generous bedroom. Again, every single bedroom in this home has very enviable views. I love that view of the city. Well, what do you reckon? Now that you've seen the layout, how about we take a look at this home in closer detail? I'm gonna fix myself a drink. So the building that we're in now is called Rise, and this is the fourth and final building in Caden's Mason Square precinct, and we are in the heart of Moonee Ponds. There are actually two types of homes in this building. There are the residences, but right now we're in the Sky Homes, which is from level 22 right up to 29. And they basically have a larger floor plan. They also have a few other exclusive offerings, which I'll get to later, but mostly they just have a phenomenal view. I mean, I cannot stop looking at that view across Melbourne. In fact, you can even see through to the Dandenongs and all the way to Port Phillip Bay. It really is an incredibly panoramic view from all aspects of this home. The views have been purposely framed in this home. There are wonderful pockets to enjoy, especially in those bedrooms. And of course, with all of those windows, it brings in a wonderful amount of natural light. In fact, these interiors are just drenched with natural light, and it really does have a very warm and cozy sensibility in here. The interior finishings are just beautiful, and in fact the interior design was in fact done in-house with Caden. Engineered timber oak flooring runs throughout, and it was chosen for its longevity and easy care properties. The warmth of that timber floor plays beautifully with that monochromatic tone in the kitchen. It's very sleek, it's very seamless, it's all integrated, wonderful soft close drawers, a lot of storage. I really love the lighting details across that splashback. The island bench is very special. I really love the way it's celebrated with that open shelving up top with that integrated range hood. I think that's incredibly smart, and it's also a wonderful styling feature. The matte graphite tapware works beautifully with that dark reconstituted stone bench, which also has that extension of that solid timber oak, and I love the way that runs seamlessly off that island, both for entertaining and for dining. Integrated fridge and freezer, European appliances, soft close cupboards and drawers throughout. In fact, a lot of storage. Just a really good functional kitchen, which also looks fantastic. The high quality finishes continue through to the bedrooms. Those carpeted queen size bedrooms are very generous proportions. Again, wonderful views, floor to ceiling windows, filled with natural light, plus very enviable walk-in robes, especially in that master. I really loved that mirrored treatment on the cabinetry. It was a dark mirror and it just had a wonderful ambient feel to it. And it also helped to add a sense of space. What else helped add a sense of space was that it was very generous in scale. And speaking of scale, the size of the bathtub in that master ensuite was standout stupid. Like, it was stupid big, and I loved it, and I'm all for it. I really, really, really loved the natural tone of that white porcelain tile. The floor to ceiling treatment of that was beautiful, and I love the way it played with the other textures in there. The lighting, the tapware, all of the fixtures and finishings, everything had just been chosen beautifully, and it really did have a very lush, very penthouse feel. The custom basins and the floating vanities are throughout, not only in the master bedroom, but also through the other main bathroom and the powder room. Again, a wonderful, consistent color palette with that natural porcelain tile and that terrazzo look finish. Practicality actually is what stands out to me in this home, because I really have thought about how you live. There is so much storage in this home, and I love the fact that it has its own storeroom with floor to ceiling cabinetry. Very smart, very much needed. No one can ever say no to storage. And it really is a big selling point in this home. As well as the storage, there's a really good sized laundry as well, which runs off that main bathroom. And each bedroom has their own generous robes. But let's put practicality aside for a moment and talk about that bar. Your very own bar with city views is very special indeed. And I must admit, it's just such a wonderful pocket to enjoy, and I love the fact that it has its own dedicated area, and I would really love to see what this view would look like as the sun goes down and all of Melbourne lights up around you. So we are in the heart of Moonee Ponds right now, so we're about 6 k's from the city. We're also a very close walk to Puckle Street, which is filled with wonderful boutique shops and restaurants and bars. As I mentioned, right now we are in the Sky Homes, so they do boast bigger floor plans and some very impressive views. But not only that, residents of the Sky Homes also have exclusive access to the conservatory. The conservatory is an extension of the apartment for entertaining purposes. There is an indoor bar, fireside lounge, banquet dining area, and outdoor terrace that can be booked, as I mentioned, exclusively for residents of the Sky Homes. The Sky Homes are definitely penthouse style living that are all about space, quality, and the best views in town. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. If you are interested in the Sky Homes, be sure to hit the link below and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought, and be sure to like and subscribe because we've got plenty more home tours coming your way. Cheers.